Hey everyone, welcome back to Three Dogs in RV. I'm Stuart, and it's another golf course review. This time we're crossing state lines into North Carolina. Let's get going. Hey, good morning everyone. This is Stuart with Three Dogs in RV, and today we're doing another golf video. Today we're at Carolina Shores in Carolina Shores / Calabash, North Carolina. We're playing Carolina Shores today, and it's already humid because you can see my glasses are already fogging up. It's a beautiful day here in the Myrtle Beach metro area. Again, we're just across the state line in North Carolina, so I'm playing my first round of golf ever today in the great state of North Carolina. Let's go check in at the clubhouse and we'll get this round going. All right, so I just dropped my clubs off with the starter. Somewhat friendly guy. Wasn't totally friendly, but oh well. Not everybody has a good morning. Anyway, we're gonna go check in with the clubhouse here, and then we'll get rocking and rolling. It looks like I'm playing by myself today, which is not a bad thing. Okay, so we're starting off number 10 today instead of going out to the first. Don't know why that is, but that's the way it is today. Already can tell you that this course is not to the same standards as some of the other ones we played here in the Myrtle Beach area. There's no signage at any of the tee boxes that I can see, and the tee box indicators, or the whatever you call the guides, or where you tee off, are not very well marked. Looking into the reviews of this course online during this video. But let's go play some golf. You never know, this might turn into a gem. All right, folks, the first hole is under our belt. The first one wasn't all that great, but yeah, still in practice mode today. Early observations on this course. Yeah, I can see why it only cost me $31 on Golf Now. It's not in the best of shape, and we'll show you pictures of the greens here. Hopefully the greens get better after number 10 here, but I'm not holding my breath. Again, it's not bad if you are a golfer like me. You know, just needs. You know, I'm not that good of a golfer, so playing the $150, $130, $100 courses are, you know, not something I want to spend my money on right now until I get a little bit better. So these $25, $30 ones are okay. I paid $21 to play today on Golf Now with a $10 monthly discount. I'm gonna put my link to our Golf Now membership, but you can go to 3dogsinanrv / Golf Now to sign up and start saving on your golf. I don't know what my benefits are with you signing up through my link. I know I get some discounts and stuff like that. So 3dogsinanrv / Golf Now will get you the membership. And we're gonna go play number 11 now and keep moving. And there's nobody on this course except for me, maybe another couple other guys somewhere else, but it's very, very quiet today here. All right, so we're playing from the silver tees today. We finally figured that out. Just behind us is the whites, and then gold ones are the tip. Red tees are just in front of us here. You know what? A pretty challenging course. It is actually pretty challenging. If the upkeep was just a couple of levels higher, this would be a really, really sharp course. The cart paths need to be like repaved or resurfaced for sure. The grass is in fairways are in rough is really challenging. The fairways could be a little shorter, grass-wise. The greens definitely need some work. All right, so here's the conditions of the greens on number 11. They either had some bugs or insects hit these greens because they're very patchy. If anybody knows what causes this, leave a comment below. But this is the green on number 11. It's really, it's not in really good shape. But overall, the course is pretty challenging. They just had a few upkeeps done to it. I think this would be easily a $40 to $50 course if they just took a few minutes and got some investment money to put some improvements into it. All right, so we're almost a quarter way through our game here. Here's a tip. I think it's gonna be a good tip for a lot of the beginners and hack golfers like me. The second shot, you gotta put your ball in a good place for the second shot. And that's something I'm not doing very consistently well right now in previous games. I'm not getting a good drive and put myself in a position where we're gonna have a good second shot. So let's see if we can work on that for the rest of today's game and see if that improves our overall score. Okay, so with all the videoing I've been doing and extra shots I've been taking playing solo today, I've caught up to the group in front of me. So I'm gonna just have a snack. I got some crackers and cheese and some water. I'll hydrate myself and then let this course, they're just on the green, so I don't have to wait that long, but I'm not gonna rush. I hate when people rush up against me and there's nobody behind me. So I'll let these guys just play ahead and we'll slow our game down just a bit and take our time and maybe practice a few extra shots. All right, let's check in here. We just finished number 17. Remember, we started on the back nine, so we're almost halfway through a round today. It's not going too bad. Again, the course I want to put it in a very positive way. It can be very good with a little bit of investment. The greens are, I don't know if it's just been a neglect or they had some insects infestation where it kind of chewed away at some of the greens. Anyway, they need some work. The cart path definitely needs some work. I think the fairways can be groomed a little better, but overall, you know, it is a challenging course. I paid $32 with a $10 discount on Golf Now. Do I think that's worth it? For this course, yeah. I would definitely pay $32 to play this course. It's allowing me to be a little bit more deliberate, I guess is the word to use, in my game. I'm practicing a bit more. I'm out here by myself. I caught up to the group in front of me, so I'm taking my time now. And I'm practicing a few shots and different techniques just to see if I can improve my game, and it's going all right. So again, $32 for 18 on Golf Now. I'll put the link again right here at 3dogsinanrv/Golf Now. Go ahead and sign up, get it, and take advantage of that. Those 9,000 courses across the U.S., I think Canada as well, that you can book at. And check it out, it's worth it. I think it's definitely worth it. Hey, look what we got here. We got a Bills fan here on the 17th tee box at Carolina Shores. Always a great thing to see. A Bills fan anywhere is a great thing to see. Go Bills. All right, we're on number 17. Remember, we're starting the back nine first, so this is really number 8 for us. But we have this, I don't know, let's say 40-footer for birdie here on the par 3 17 at Carolina Shores. Let's go see if we can sink it. All right, the birdie putt came up a little bit short, but we'll take the par here on 17 at Carolina Shores any day of the week. All right, on to 18, and then we're gonna go play the front 9 as our back 9. And I think I know why they did that today. There seems to be a tournament coming through. So they put all of us as casual golfers on the back so they can get the tournament out on the front. And by the time we come around, the tournament should be out on the front and then and coming around to the back. So that way us guys can keep playing golf while tournament hackers, we call them, go around on the front. All right, so nice par, number 17. So I do have to give kudos to this golf course here for one thing. The sand traps are in a remarkable shape. Compared to what we played last week at Eagle's Nest, the sand traps here are way better. You can actually hit your ball out of the trap. Where at Eagle's Nest last week, it was kind of packed down and didn't have any of that fluffy sand with it. So good thing here, the sand traps are in pretty good shape. So there's a plus. So we're here at the number 1 tee box now, which is number 10 for us today. So we're gonna get ready to go with the front 9, which is our back 9. So I want to tell you a story of my first time ever golfing in Western Canada. So it was in the late 90s. Oh no, late 80s I want to say. And I was a member of the 3rd Regiment, Royal Canadian Horse Artillery, and we're going to Wainwright, Alberta. And we stopped in a place called Undergone, Saskatchewan. It was just south of Saskatoon. My first time ever out that way. And some of us had our clubs with us, so we went out and played the base golf course. And lo and behold, it had sand greens. And so you would go out there and you would rake your track that you're going to be putting on, and then putt on the sand green, and then go back and re-rake the greens. I've never played on sand greens before that, and I haven't played on sand greens since that. Let me know if you've ever golfed at Undergone, Saskatchewan, and if you ever played on sand greens. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of playing on sand greens. I thought it was different. It was definitely unique. I was young, 20-something, on my way to my first military exercise in Wainwright. We stopped at Undergone for the night on our way out there. It was, it was an interesting track, to say the least. All right, it looks like the sun's starting to come out, which is great. We haven't seen the sun like this in a while, a few days at least. All right, folks, our round is done here at Carolina Shores. Overall, not bad. I think I'm getting better at striking the ball now. My 4th time out here, getting more course rating. I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5. You know, it's got some work to do. Obviously, the fairways are a little chunky. The greens are in definite need of some repair, but it's not bad for the price I paid. Golf Now price $31, $32 with the hot deal promo. We'll put the website up here and again show you the fees on their website. But you know what? Not a bad golf course. I don't believe the ratings on Google and Golf Now are all that high, but I come back and play this course again. Definitely, it's not bad. Not a bad course. Definitely for the level of play that I'm at, it's not bad at all. So, all right. So this is Stuart with 3 Dogs RV coming to you from Carolina Shores, North Carolina. We're gonna head back to South Carolina now and check in on Missy and the dog.